Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in our series where we are covering courses for students who have just completed grade 12 or are currently in grade 12. Now obviously being that we've been training students for accounting and finance for the last 8 years, we thought this would be a very beneficial series for students who are a little confused after grade 12 as to which course you should pick up. Now, we've done videos on ACCA, CFA, CMA, FRM, and today we are here to talk about the US CPA qualification, which is Certified Public Accountant. Now, let us first understand what it is that Certified Public Accountants or CPAs do. Well, in India, you have chartered accountants who look after the financial health of a company and they look after the bookkeeping aspect of a company or the accounting and reporting aspects of a company. Similarly, in the United States, they call their chartered accountants as Certified Public Accountants or CPAs. Essentially, what I'm saying is if you want to do the role of a chartered accountant but in the United States or be accredited by an organization in the United States, then you need to pursue the US CPA qualification. This qualification is obviously globally recognized, and a lot of MNCs who have their businesses across the world, they will need US CPAs on board who are able to understand the accounting standards prescribed, which is the US GAAP, which is covered in the US CPA qualification. If you're someone who's just cleared grade 12, let me tell you that unfortunately at this point you are not eligible for the US CPA qualification. The US CPA qualification unfortunately has one of the higher requirement thresholds for writing the examination, wherein you need to be a graduate and you need to have a post-graduation degree, which is either MCom or MBA. Unfortunately at this point, my friends, you will not be able to actively pursue the US CPA qualification. However, US CPA is a great qualification for you to pursue or consider pursuing once you graduate in commerce. So what do you do until then, right? You simply don't want to sit around doing nothing. Well, there are a few schools of thoughts here. One, you pick up a course that gels well with the US CPA. So something like a CMA, which complements the US CPA qualification very well. You can get your CMA done realistically in 1 year. We've made a roadmap video on CMA. So you can take this particular course and you can start working by the time you reach year 2 of your undergrad degree. So you pair it up with CMA, or if you want to completely master accounting and finance, you pick up a course like ACCA, which will essentially allow you to operate as a chartered accountant in India, in Europe, in Middle East, and later you pair it with a US CPA. Now, what are the advantages of pursuing US CPA? Well, first of all, you can complete the US CPA qualification in a span of 12 months. This is generally how long students take, but I would suggest that you budget 18 months for completion of the course. There are 4 examinations that a student has to clear in order to become a US CPA. The 4 examinations are financial accounting and reporting, auditing and attestation, regulation, which covers taxation and US federal law, and the 4th exam is a discipline exam. So you can either specialize in information technology and audit, you can specialize in business analysis and reporting, or you can specialize in tax compliance and planning. So these are the 4 exams that you need to pass. Each exam is a mix of MCQ questions. There are certain subjective questions, and each paper will take you roughly anywhere between 3 to 4 months to prepare for. The textbooks are a little lengthy, and unfortunately the course is not very friendly for someone who has just cleared grade 12. But we have also seen students who pick this course up extremely early. They start preparing, as soon as maybe they reach year 2 of their undergraduation, and by the time they complete their graduation, they know enough about 2 papers at least to go and pass it. So that is also a strategy that you can realistically apply. Some jobs that you can get after US CPA: roles in audit, roles in taxation, roles in other finance domains. You can be a risk manager. There are a plethora of roles that you can get after you complete your US CPA. Essentially the same roles that a chartered accountant would get, but 4 years less, and the cost investment is anywhere between 2 to 3 lakhs. So this is how you can pursue US CPA. Either you pick up a course that gels well with US CPA and pursue it while you work your way towards eligibility, or you simply start preparing as soon as you're in year 2, and this will put you in a good position to be able to pass the exam as soon as you're eligible. So this is what we recommend at Zell to our students. Now let me know in the comments below what else you would like to know about these qualifications. Which qualification do you want me to cover next? Do let me know in the comments below.